I am currently in the bathroom combining a couple of my locks. I know I mentioned in one of my previous videos that I'm really getting frustrated with some of my thinning locks. So I have a crochet needle, very, very tiny crochet needle. And I'm just going for it. Whatever happens, happens. I watched a few YouTube videos, so I think I know what I'm doing. I probably don't, but you're gonna see. Because I think it's better to just try it, and the worst that can happen, my hair falls out. But it's hair, it's gonna go back, so hopefully I just don't completely ruin my hair. I've done one so far. I'll probably have to go back through it and fix it, but that's what it's looking like right now. I'm not retwisting anything, and I'm gonna combine this little thing right here with another one that's next to it, probably this one right here. Hey y'all, it's Brianna from the future. That was so lame. But anyway, I didn't record me combining the first two locks. But when I started combining the third lock, I decided to go ahead and record it because I wanted to document the footage just to look back on. And I honestly combined this third lock different than I combined the first two locks. So with the first two locks, what I did was I twisted the two hairs together. Well, the two locks together, and then I crocheted them starting at the bottom, and then just basically weaving the crochet needle in and out my hair until I felt like it looked like one entire lock. But with this lock right here, the third lock, I went ahead and tried to retwist it using some Jamaican black castor oil because there was a lot of hair growing outside of this lock. I just want to come in and clarify for you guys. And my apologies, this isn't really a lock combining tutorial. It's just more so my experience with trying this for the first time. Alright y'all, I decided to go ahead and clip these two because with this one I feel like it might come unravel, so I was like, let me just clip it all, let it dry a little bit and see what happens. And this one right here, I just went on and did the same because there's a lot of loose hair around this lock. And honestly, y'all, I combined two somewhere up in this area. And I was gonna clip it too, but y'all, I can't tell which one it is. I literally don't know which one I combined. I seriously don't know. For some reason, I'm feeling like it's this one, but I'm not sure. Cause I haven't had a retwist in like a month, so my hair is like kind of crazy looking as it is. Yeah, I really can't tell. I'm like trying to feel the texture to realize. Oh, I think it's this one. But honestly, I really can't tell. It looks like the other one, so I'm gonna just leave this one alone. But I'm gonna leave these two clipped. And yeah, I'm not sure this one is gonna stay together. And I'm trying to, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I was starting at the bottom because I don't wanna have that look where the locks are split at the bottom. I hate that look. So I'm trying to like make sure the hairs at the bottom are like really connected. But I don't know if I'm doing this right or not. I hope I am. It feels like I am. It feels like this should be really easy and hard to mess up. But honestly, I've been feeling so intimidated when it comes to combining locks. And now I really wish I did that earlier because I feel like even though I might even done and I don't really see the finished product, or I don't even know if it's gonna feel like this, I feel like my confidence has already gone up a little bit because even though some people probably can't see the thinning locks, it's something that I'm like hyper aware of when I'm fixing my hair in the morning. And it just feels weird. But from what I've been seeing on YouTube and Facebook, thinning locks is something that a lot of people deal with for different reasons, whether it's stress, genetics, or whatnot. So I shouldn't feel uncomfortable about it. And also my parts aren't really defined anymore, so that's why I wasn't really trying to go for like a specific lock. Because as y'all can probably tell, like right here, I was trying to decide if I want to combine it with the lock right next to it or the one below it. And I just went on and combined it with the one below it because that one was also thinning. And it just made the most sense to me because the one directly next to this lock that was right here, it's not really thinning. Like it's this one, which is kind of like the size of the rest of my locks in this area. Because my hair is like kind of thin in this area compared to like the middle of my head. So I was like, let me just leave that one alone. But I just combined the two thinning locks. All right, slight update on the locks that I combined since I just actually noticed this. So I'm trying to get a good view. So I combined these two, and I saw some videos that show people looping the locks before crocheting them. I didn't loop them, and now look. So I'm gonna have to take these apart and try it again. And sorry if my hair is dirty because I need to wash it. I'll probably do that today. Oh, that literally took like 2 seconds. It was not hard getting them apart at all. But now I'm trying to see. That's the other one that I did. No issues. And I think this is the other lock that I did. Right here. I mean, it's not unraveling at the root. But I can kind of see the texture of the two locks that I combined now. So I might have to crochet that again too. But I'm gonna do all this after I wash my hair because if I wash it and they come apart, that'll make it a lot easier. But we'll see. I don't know.